The problem statement is we need to remove the duplicate elements from the given list. And we are supposed to write this functionality in a separate function, that is remove duplicates. Let us define a function, and this will take list as an input, list of items, and then it will return the list with unique elements. Suppose input list has any duplicate elements, this is going to remove all the duplicates and return only the unique elements in the input list. And the order need not be in the same order as the input list. Like after removing the duplicates, input list items can be in a different order. That's what the problem statement says. So let us fill this function little later. This is the function definition, and in the return we are supposed to return unique elements of this input list. First, this is the function. Let us write the main program now. In the main program, we are supposed to read the input elements from the user. This split by default happens based on the space. Like if the input elements are separated by space, like all the list items, then this will split the items based on the space and save them as list here. Let us add some help message here. Enter the list items separated by space. Here, suppose the user enters 1, 2, 3, then how this will be split based on the spaces. So it will be saved in the input list as 1, 2, 3, like this. This is what the split does. It will split based on the space and separate all the items and then save them as list items in the input list. If the user enters this data, then the input list will appear like this. And we are passing this list to remove duplicates, and then the remove duplicates will return as the unique elements list. Remove duplicates of input list. We are passing input list to that function, and that function will return unique elements. Let us fill this function first. Here, to remove the duplicate elements, we need to perform set operation on the list. The set will pick only the unique elements from the list and then return a set. Or we can name it as unique elements. If you perform set operation on the list, it will return the unique elements, and these unique elements will be a set. It is no more a list, but we need to return a list from this function, so we will convert it back into list. Now this list which is going to be returned from this function will contain unique list of unique elements. This set operation will remove all the duplicate elements and then save only the unique elements in the set. We have to convert this set into list before returning it to the caller. So here it will return a list containing only the unique elements. Now print. Let us print both input elements and let us print unique elements. Unique elements in the given list are let us test this program. Let us enter some duplicates. So every element is repeated more than once. See, this is the unique list of the given elements. See, the 2 is repeated and 3 is repeated, 4 is repeated, 1 is repeated, but we got only the unique list. But the order is not same because we got order elements in a different order because we did set operation. Once we do set operation, there is no guarantee for the order of the elements. Unique elements will be written, but order of the elements will not be in the same manner. This is the end of the program.